Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marissa Fashionista 101 and today I'm super excited to film this video because I just got a new camera and I got the new Sony Alpha 6100 camera. I'm loving it so far, so can't wait to see where this camera takes me and what kind of new content I'll be making, so it's gonna be fun. So today I'm going to be doing something really fun and it's going to be another DIY project. And this is something I thought of because for a while I've been wanting to kind of decorate my background with my little film set where I record these videos. So I'm just tired of the pink wall and the cards just sitting there. I want to maybe move it to a different wall. So what I want to do is use wrapping paper instead of wallpaper. I know you're probably thinking why are you gonna use wrapping paper? That's kind of weird, but I thought why not? I'll probably use a stapler to staple it to the wall, and I've tried it before and it works fine. So what I'm gonna use is some wrapping paper that I got from the Dollar Tree, only $1 each. And I have about 5 of them, so hopefully they fill up just that one wall. Probably most of the wall because I don't want it to be all just this flowery, pretty vintage print. So I'm gonna just kind of see how I want to do it, but for now I'm gonna just go straight on and staple, and we'll see how I do this. Okay, so now that I'm done with the upper part of the wall, now I have the space right here that I want to fill up. And what I'm going to do is I have a bunch of magazines and I'm going to cut out a bunch of cute, fashionable pictures and put them all on the wall. So let's go ahead and do this. So this is what I have so far, which I love. I changed the shirt, I added the belt on the skirt, just to kind of tie in all together. So here it is. So you have this really cute, you can't even see it because the background's so busy, but you have this really cute outfit. And the really cute the Vogue canvas up there, and I added this brown tape just to kind of add a little bit more of a detail. So far I'm really liking it. It's officially done. It looks beautiful. So I have my sewing station and my background here. It's super cute. So it's got the pretty pictures on the bottom, and you have this up here. It's really simple and, well, kind of. And then you have bless your little southern heart. I painted over the tape because it just looked kind of ugly. So made it look girly. So far I really like this. I think it's adorable. So there you go, you guys. That is my official little sewing broom film set. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that, and I'll be coming up with more content in the future, so have a great night. Bye.